All right, let's test this out a little bit and see what we can come up with. So I have MIDI going out the multi-jack into the tonal recall right now. And I'm going to set it up to ramp time. And I'm doing that because it will be obvious when I roll the expression knob. The higher the number, the greater the rate over here. And then the lower number. And we're going to save that to preset 5. This is B is tonal recall. So ramping time is working, or expression time I should say. We're going to press and hold and save that to number 5. Still working. If I come out of it and take that dip switch off, then go into it, that's weird, has not saved that setting. Let's try and save it again. It almost felt like the dip switch wasn't down. Like half down or something? I don't know. Okay, so it's definitely in there now. I'm going to save that to 5. Definitely still working. Now go to 5. It's not working. Kind of confused right now, actually. That's definitely time. It's definitely working. So there it's working because I haven't turned the dip switch off. Now the dip switch is off. They're all off. I come out of that preset and then go back into the preset. And now it's working. So I've kind of repeated the same thing, 3 times now, and kind of did things in different orders and getting different results. It's definitely not engaged. None of them are engaged. So at this point, that is definitely saved on the preset, number 5. And then I thought the concern was after a power cycle. You know, I hear talk of 2 different kind of power cycles. It's like a long one and a short one. I don't know what the difference is or why it would matter. but there's a medium one. So now if we go to B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, engage the pedal. No expression on the time after a power cycle. So it was definitely attached to that preset, and now it's not. Not sure I understand what's going on. And see, on this preset, I have a really fast rate time. And then when I roll this, well, now it's not doing it. It was doing it just a second ago. It affected it. Now it's not affecting it. Maybe that was my imagination. Okay, this is really weird. Now I haven't touched anything. Now it's back to, that almost makes me think this thing's wonky. That's really weird. All right, I'm gonna power cycle again. This stuff makes my brain hurt a little bit. I enjoy it, don't get me wrong. I just wish that I wish I knew what was going on. Okay, here's the saved preset that had expression on time saved. And it's not working again after a power cycle. And what I did a minute ago was scroll down here. See, now that is affecting it again, and it wasn't before. And now it's not affecting it, which is what it did before. And now I'm guessing if I scroll up to 5, expression will work, as it did the last time. And it does. Okay, so let me see if I can repeat that one more time. It's promising that it at least is resolving itself, it seems. Is it just that maybe after a power cycle, things get fucky for a while, and then it's okay? I don't know. Okay, so if this is going to repeat itself again, when I go up to 5, I'm going to have no effect on time, which I do not have. Now if I go down to preset 3, it is going to have effect. And I go up to 4 and back down to 3, now it will not have effect. And now if I go back up to 5, where I was originally and didn't have any effect, now it will. So it's at least repeating itself. I don't know what to say about this. It's like jumping around a little bit on presets makes it self-correct. This is really weird. But it's totally repeatable.